Hello everyone. Welcome to Sai classes, and today we will discuss about physical and chemical change. So what is physical change? First of all, we'll discuss about physical change. Physical change. Fast and slow change, reversible and irreversible, we have discussed in the previous lecture. So physical change, matlab, if there is any change in its physical property, suppose like this is a sketch pen. If you open its cap, it will be sketch pen, no doubt, its physical property will not change. But like this, if you take one more example, if you take a paper, crush the paper, crush it or tear it, it will be paper only. No new substance is being formed. So it is a physical change. So what is physical change? In a change in which the physical property changes. Like I'm wearing a bangle here. It's a bangle. It's solid in state, red in color. So if its physical property change, suppose this bangle changes into blue colored bangle, but all the other things remain the same. It means no new substance is being formed, only the color has been changed. So what are the physical property? Its shape, size, color, state, etc. Now what is state? It can be liquid, solid or gaseous state. So in physical change, no new substance is ever formed. Never ever. कभी भी नया substance नहीं बनता है. It is a physical change. Like stretching of a rubber band. If you stretch a rubber band like this, if you take a rubber band, stretch it and leave it, it will again come back to its original shape. When you stretch it, it becomes bigger in size. Just leave it, it will come back to its original state. So here, वो वापस अपने फॉर्म में आ गया. It is reversible. So generally, physical change are reversible by nature. But as I have shown you the example of this paper, you tear it. इसको आप फाड़ दीजिए. The paper is being torn. So now it will not again come back to its original position. नया substance तो नहीं बना. It is only a paper. But इसको आप वापस एकदम इस तरह के white sheet में you cannot convert it. So in some cases it is irreversible also. Generally it is reversible, but in few cases it can be irreversible. Like if you take some sugar, crush it. चीनी को पीस दीजिए. So चीनी का क्या होगा? It will become in a powder form. वो पाउडरी फॉर्म में बदल जाएगी. Means उसका state change हो जाएगा. Color will be the same. State will also be the same. It will be solid, but the size and the shape will change. So in physical change, no new substance is being formed. Generally it is reversible, but in some cases it can be irreversible also. And what happens? Only the physical property changes. Means either shape, size, color or the state of the matter changes. Okay children? So we can take few more example of physical change take some water, put it into the deep freezer or the fridge, it will change into ice. And if you put all the ice into a container and put it on the gas stove, it will again come back to water and it will change into water vapor. So state is being changed. Water is liquid state, ice is solid, and water vapor is the gaseous state. So here the state is being changed, so that is why it is a physical change, because no new substance is being formed. So if we take some example, common example, that is tearing of paper. I have just shown you tearing of paper, stretching of a rubber band, then cutting of vegetables. These are some common example of physical change. So now it will be clear to you. In physical, अगर आप सब्जी को काट रहे हैं, it is only cutting, not cooking. Cutting, काटने पर if you are cutting apple, it will remain apple. If you are tearing, अगर आप पेपर को फाड़ रहे हैं, it will remain paper. Like cutting of vegetable, वो वापस दोबारा अपने एकदम, if you are cutting a apple, तो सेब अपने वापस एकदम shape में नहीं आएगा. So here it is irreversible. Stretching of paper, reversible. Then freezing of water or water into water vapor, these are reversible change. Next, children, if we talk about chemical change. Chemical change means some chemical reaction is being going on and a new substance is formed. Always कोई नया substance जरूर बनेगा. New substance is formed. It is irreversible always. Here it can be reversible or irreversible, physical, but chemical change is always irreversible change. और एक नया substance बन जाता है. For example, burning of paper. Burning of paper. आपने कागज लिया, उसको जला दिया. So the paper will change into ashes. ये जो ash है, it is a new substance which cannot again, never it cannot change into paper again. So it is irreversible change. Digestion of food. If you eat something, अगर आपने कुछ खाया, it goes into the esophagus or in the stomach, some sort of digestion takes place, and in the small intestine it is completely digested. So anything which you eat cannot come back to its original form. It becomes gradually, it gives you nutrition and it is being thrown out, the waste product. So here also it is irreversible and a new substance is being formed here. So in other example, very common example, growth. Growth of a child. When the child is in a growing period, lots of chemical changes, like lots of hormones are being secreted, by which the child changes into an adult. So due to that hormonal change, the growth take place. So that adult child will never again come back to its infant state. So it is a irreversible change. A pure new substance is being formed. Fermentation of sugar cane juice. आप गन्ने का रस ले लीजिए and just put it in a container, उसको air tight कर दीजिए and leave it for 20-30 days. What will happen? फर्मेंटेशन हो जाएगा. And due to fermentation, the sugarcane juice, which was sweet in taste, here it was sweet in taste, will become sour, खट्टा हो जाएगा, सिरके में बदल जाएगा. It will change into vinegar. So एकदम नया substance बन गया. New substance is being formed, which is always irreversible. वो गन्ने का रस जो मीठा था, वो due to fermentation it has been changed into vinegar, and it is sour in taste. So it is very simple, but you always must remember that physical change can be reversible, as I have given you one example of stretching of the rubber band, and irreversible like cutting of vegetables or tearing of paper. But in chemical change, always a new substance is being formed which is irreversible. वो अपने वापस ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में कभी नहीं आ सकता. So that is all about physical and chemical change, children. If you like my video, do subscribe it, and thank you for today.